Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a car icon in Google Maps on your Android device. And trust me, there's nothing complicated, just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. But before I start, I just gotta note that if you didn't notice, I'm living in Mexico, but that's not right. I actually changed my location. If you don't know how to do it, you can visit our channel. There I made a video about that, how to change your location in Google Maps. So let's move on point how to set the car icon in Google Maps. Here is how. First, get your phone, open Google Maps, and here just set some location. Let's say here is right. Just click on OK. Set it by car. It's important to be by car, and then click on start. And as you can see, we have this cycle here. That means where you are. Just click on it, click on the cycle here, and then it appears this vehicle icons, and you can choose just the just the three of them. You can choose the red one, you can choose the yellow one, or the green one. I like the red one, I don't know why. And the most important, it's 3D. That's cool, really cool. So if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.